Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Life and Health. Today, we're diving into a breakfast bonanza. Get ready for 7 healthy breakfast ideas that will make your taste buds dance and your morning shine. First up, we have the power-packed peanut butter banana toast. Simply spread natural peanut butter on whole grain toast, add banana slices, and drizzle with a touch of honey. It's a combination that'll keep you fueled and satisfied. Next on the menu, an energizing green smoothie bowl. Blend spinach, banana, and a splash of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with nuts, seeds, and fresh berries. It's a nutrient-packed bowl of green goodness to boost your morning. For a quick protein fix, try our protein-packed Yogurt Parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, mixed berries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a delightful combination of textures and flavors that will keep you full and focused. Let's add some savory goodness with a veggie omelet wrap. Whisk up some eggs, throw in your favorite veggies, cook, and wrap it all up in a whole grain tortilla. It's a portable, protein-packed breakfast that's ready in a flash. For a delightful make-ahead option, try chia seed pudding with berries. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, let it sit overnight, and top with a medley of fresh berries in the morning. It's a breakfast that's as easy as it is delicious. Avocado lovers, this one's for you. Our quick and hearty avocado egg breakfast. Mash avocado on whole grain toast. Top it with a poached or sunny side-up egg and sprinkle with your favorite herbs. It's a savory treat that'll keep you satisfied. And last but not least, a nutty quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa, mix it with almond milk, and top it with sliced bananas, chopped nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup. It's a wholesome, hearty breakfast to fuel your day. There you have it, 7 delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that prove healthy eating can be exciting. Which one are you tempted to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more mouthwatering content. Until next time, here's to a breakfast that's as vibrant as your day ahead.